you did the right thing. It was the only thing you could do, really.
Yeah. We were trying it.
Yeah.
We were trying it.
And it didn't work. Yeah, because I know my daughter was saying she was sitting in her garden that day, and Matthew, my grandson, said, "Do a cool. That's the noise you made, Mum." Didn't realise it was her.
No, the strange thing is that we test wind turbine before that.
Yeah.
One of the things that we all found out is that that particular day was like,
Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, it was a big mystery really.
Mm.
So that's what I'm going to say.
Nothing on a What do you fancy now?
Yeah.
But they were fine.
I said, what?
Oh, no,
The council doesn't know who to play.
Yeah, it was like an easy. Right,
Yeah. Stop. I think it's affected the license.
Or a small one.
Yeah. Well, they're dragging their heels, aren't they?
They are. You know, like that.
I know, he didn't say to me.
No,
They're just what we paid.
Oh,
It's peanuts to them, isn't it?
well, yeah, they don't want to get
No. Yeah, we do. And we're maintaining the area. They haven't got to worry about that. Did you get any comment from the Tottenham track or the rugby club about the track? So I noticed that the guy from the Tottenham track was that they had arranged to do something, hadn't they? They put some chippings down. But they didn't spread it, they did it in one bulk area, didn't they? Well, 3 bulk areas. Oh, does he?
Guessing because it's a holder there. I have seen that coming up with trailer at the
Yeah.
Hello, kid. Yeah, good.
Ah.